GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit.
GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it.
Hollywood
You
legend.
no longer gotta look pathetic. GizzyCredit.
My customers, I'm gonna post this video live on YouTube. Hello, everyone. And I know you sound like you just finished waking up, so my bad if it's at the wrong time for you.
No, I'm up.
You up?
Yeah,
Okay.
I've been up for a while. Yes, sir. I've been up for a while.
That's what's up. All right, cool. So this is I'm gonna be making these testimonials more often now for people to see how we work, how you first found out about us, and how what you got with our service. And it's more transparency for people to see what we did for you and your experience with us and our company. So let me get my partner John on the line, and we do this real quick, okay?
All right. Yes, sir.
Hold on. Hey, Brian, what's going on? Do you hear me well, Brian? All right, cool. Thank you. All right, we're going to do this testimonial on a customer who got started with credit repair. So excited because I'll be making more videos like this coming soon. All right. This phone call was supposed to be at 12. Hey, John, I got Dante on the other line. All right. Okay. So, okay, Dante. All right, cool. So I have John on the other line, and John has been my partner with credit repair since 2012, but he's been doing this for like 15 years. I've been doing this for like 10 years. He's really the brains of it all. You come through because you probably seen my social media, which that's what I do. I do social media on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. I'm all over the place. And all the results videos that you have seen have been of myself and John's work. So John's on the other line. Want to introduce John. And, where did you find us in the process of doing this?
I found you on Instagram, and I followed you for about a year or so.
Oh, wow.
Before I decided to go ahead and reach out to you.
Okay.
So, Dante, this is John. How are you?
Hey, John, how you doing?
Not too bad. Merry Christmas. Well, Merry Christmas late. But I guess the question is, and this is just since we're all on the phone together trying to get a little bit of an idea, in the course of that year that you were following Gizzy on the Instagram page, what actually inspired you to actually decide to move forward? Like what is it that finally, because there's a lot of people that follow him for long periods of time and still try to make the determination. And for us, it's difficult to rationalize why it would take somebody that long. But along the same lines, obviously,
they're on mute.
Comes to a point of comfortability.
Do you guys hear me well? Do you guys hear the conversation well?
So
I need to know.
My question is, how do you arrive after a year at it being the right time to, you know what I mean, after seeing all the results and the videos and stuff?
Honestly, it was all of the results that he began to post. Just seeing how people would have in the low 500s, they would be in the 6s and 7s in like 3 to 6 months. Just consistently watching that, it was like, okay, let me go ahead and give this a try. I was in the low 5s, so.
Yeah, and you just, like we were talking about, you just got them closed on your house a couple weeks ago, right? You just bought a new house?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just bought a condo. My interest rate is in the low 3s. I got a great deal, and it's all because of the work that you're doing or that you've done.
Well, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And that's great news. So, how long? And what it took? I think you started. Just so we can get a little bit of a better understanding. I think you closed on your house in November, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, and then you started the mortgage process, in October, I believe, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And you started with us, I believe, towards the end of, was it August? Does that sound right, August?
Yeah. Yes, sir,
Okay.
Around August, yes, sir.
So you figure August, September. So about 2 months it took us to get you ready. Now, did you go FHA, your mortgage?
Yes, I did go FHA. Yes.
Okay, good. So, we were able to get you inside, 2 disputes, able to get you FHA ready. That rate sounds spectacular. Low threes is a beautiful thing, especially locked in for 40 years.
Yes, sir.
So I don't think you could have got much better than that. But I mean, it is great. I mean, obviously you've been a great client. You've been very patient. You let us do our work, and now we're just finishing up with a little odds and ends. In your particular instance, where everybody's a little different that come to us for mortgages, your situation was you came in and you wanted to close on the house right away, and then let us finish whatever little odds and ends we need to finish, which we're taking care of as we speak. Some people come in would rather us get everything done and then go do what they need to do. You took the quicker path, which obviously, now you're sitting in your new beautiful house in time for both holidays, which is awesome. So,
bought a house. Started
really
August. Bought a house.
If you don't mind, I mean, what would you say thus far in the process, or some pros and cons of working with us that you've experienced so far? I mean, feel free to be brutally honest. I mean, this is more of a full transparency situation.
Yeah. Well, honestly, I don't have any cons. Everything is a pro. Whenever I asked a question, you answered it right away, with detail. And what you said you were going to do, you did. And that was big for me. Having someone that's, a man of their word is huge. So I don't have any cons at all.
Okay. Well, I mean, it's if you don't mind, and again, it doesn't need to be today, whenever your schedule allows, because obviously we're in the holiday time. If you could send a picture over, just because since we want to be able to tie in, a visual for some of the potential people. Same way you came to start, and the results were very important for you as a determining factor in getting started. We'd love to be able to kind of show off your results. If you don't mind sending a picture over of your condo or whatever, if it's the outside or whatever, just so we can kind of button it all up together, so people can get a full idea of exactly, what we're describing in the context of this conversation, and then they can kind of, hopefully visualize themselves in that position at some point in time to decide they want to get started.
Yes, sir. I'll send it over.
Dante, I know that you in Virginia, and most of the DMV people that we've come through for, they're trying to get security clearance or are, in the military or police officers. And at one time I remember that someone didn't send me their results because they were afraid that I was to say my name, their baby mama will know who they were. So they didn't send me their results. They were like, no, I don't want her to take more money from my child support. So if you owe child support, I'm not going to say your name.
Yes, sir.
Are you good? Are you good with that? I mean, are you okay with us sharing your results?
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good with you saying my name. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. Is there something else you wanna talk on, John?
No, I mean, I think I just wanted, Dante, I appreciate you allowing us to kind of share your experience. Some people are really good and they encourage us doing that. Some people are a little more, like Gizzy was saying, a little more, keep to themselves low key, or for any number of reasons they don't like you. So I want to say thanks for letting us share the experience. Along with that, obviously this is just the beginning. So this is getting you back on the right footing. You got the big priority knocked out of the way. So now as we work through whatever little odds and ends are there, we'll start weaning down whatever little other financial goals that you have. So if you have any that you need us to assist you with till we wind you down entirely, and then, kind of set you off on your own at that point. And if you're obviously more than welcome to come back when, if you need us at any point in time. But is there anything we can answer for you while we're on before we let you go?
Oh, no, sir. No, sir. I just want to say thank you guys for everything. I really appreciate all that you've done.
No, it's our pleasure. It really is. You've been a great client so far. We look forward to finishing this up for you. And
were you a referral by any chance, Dante? Or you just saw the Instagram post, right?
Yeah, I just saw it on Instagram.
Okay. Yeah. I haven't been posting much because, with the baby and all, it's hard to post. But, you see me every day still. That's the one thing about social media is constantly every day, that we're here.
Mm-hmm. That's true. Yes, sir.
That's true. That's what's up. So what are you up to today? What are you up to this weekend?
Well, I'm in Pittsburgh now visiting with my grandmother for the holidays, and I'll head back home Saturday. but just taking it easy.
When you get back home, is there anything that you need to do to the home, or did you buy a foreclosure? I mean, did you buy a short sale? Did you buy, what type of property you bought?
Yeah, so I bought a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, and mostly everything that needed to be done, I've done already. I remodeled my kitchen, and I'm in the process of remodeling the bathrooms. But other than that, it was ready to go, move-in ready.
Did you see the type of loan that you had? That was it a 203K loan, or was it someone that you had money put to the side for the fixing?
No, that would be the same thing. That would be a 2 or 3K loan. But you just went straight up, didn't you, Dante? You just did a straight up and paid to the conventional loan, right? You're just coming out of pocket for whatever you're doing as far as the repairs, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Those 2 or 3K loans, I mean, they're good, but they're lengthy. So I mean, they can. If you got the cash, sometimes it's a little easier just to do it. So I'm sure that's probably why you went that route. As far as just alleviating the process, you got it closed pretty quick too. I mean, you closed that loan 3 weeks, something like that. I mean, I remember you telling me you don't, and then you got it done quick. So I mean, that's a beautiful thing that it got done so quickly. And I'm sure the credit being in the position where it was at, got some hair off of it, which maybe
credit
helped to
repair.
alleviate,
We do have a trade lines contact.
Quicker. I'm sure you're in contact too.
I've been dealing with him for like 3.5 years, and I have another contact in California as well.
We do appreciate
you can email me.
Time out. I know this is mostly
GizzyCredit at GizzyCredit.com.
Between Christmas and New
And
Year.
that's for the
Just
trade
take it
lines
easy. Sounds like
contact.
you're with family. So definitely enjoy yourself. Enjoy your New Year if we don't talk to you. And whenever you get a chance, please send over that those visuals that we can share with our community, just giving them a better idea of what you've accomplished so far.
All right. Thank you so much.
You got it.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change of plans.